It is starting to get spooky in here. We are going to be doing these Jack Skellington nails. I start off with number 2, do the whole entire back part of the nail in black. Afterwards, I'm going to use number 1, which is fresh canvas. It's going to be our white. It's super white. I use a separate brush here. And yeah, I kind of have like these little teardrop looking shapes. It looks kind of like Spider-Man, like a piggy Spider-Man. Kind of weird. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and fill it all in. Go ahead and if you have a bigger brush, use a bigger brush. If not, it's cool. Go ahead and do what you got to do. And so, yeah, we're going to go ahead and fill this in. This might take a little bit of time here. And everyone knows Jack Skellington is typically white. But I wanted to take an artistic approach to it and make him kind of rainbowy. I put in his little neck here and his collars, I guess that is. I don't know what it is. Anyways, I go back to black. That is number 2. And I'm going to put in his mouth. Yeah, he's got, I don't know if these are stitches or are those his teeth. Not really sure. Anyways, we're going to use number 57, which is the yellow. And I start off with the lighter colors first here. With the white base, it really helps those colors pop out. So make sure you have that white in there. Afterwards, I'm going to go with pink. This is number 78. And I'm just kind of going around the eyes right now. Just kind of putting it wherever. I don't have a real approach to it. Just kind of placing it anywhere at this point. Now, once you've kind of gotten that laid out, we can go in with our red. I'm not exactly sure which number this is. It looks like it might be number 27. It's a really popular red. And yeah, I'm just kind of going where maybe it should be darker, like where it could have shadowing on Jack Skellington. And then afterwards, we can go ahead and go in with purple, I think. So get that kind of laid out. And then, yeah, now we go in with the purple. This is number 81. It's kind of a really nice lavender shade. It just makes it look a little bit different, having more shades in there. I kind of wish I had more color, so I kind of go back here and do blue. And the blue that I use is number 94. And again, it just creates a really cool look to this Jack Skellington. I do a little bit of that shading in the eye with that same blue color. So it's not your typical Jack Skellington by any means, but it does look kind of cool. And it's a really nice artistic approach and just something different than your typical Jack Skellington. I come back, I do a little bit of yellow mixed in with red, giving me some orange. And then I come back and darken things up with the black. That is how Jack Skellington looks in this feature today. Extending it, making those lines more opaque, I guess. And then I finish it off with a matte top coat. Anyways, like, subscribe, follow for more. Thanks. Bye.